Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunter and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. Alright, let's start with the makeup guys. Okay, you can go to the makeup selection and then here I'm using the custom makeup and I'm going to show you the custom makeup for Jinu. Okay, for the eyes, you can choose this eyes. And then you're going to choose this lips. Wait, let me show you this one. And for the eyebrow, you can choose this one. Okay, and then for the contour, you're going to choose this contour. And then for the nose, I'm using the nose from the feminine makeup. Okay, and then you will have this look. And then for the hairstyle, wait, let me show you the hairstyle for Jinu. Okay, for Jinu guys, you can choose this one, and also this one. And then for this hairstyle, you're going to make it black, and then you're going to do this adjustment. You can do this adjustment, guys. Just copy my adjustment, and then combine it with this hairstyle. Color it black as well. And for this hairstyle, you're not gonna do the adjustment in this hairstyle as well. You're going to make it black. Okay, and then put on this earring and color it like this, and then you can do little adjustment for the scale and then put on this necklace. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the masculine area and then I'm going to put on this this jacket. Okay, and then I'm going to apply pattern. Wait, let me show you the pattern for Jinu's outfit, this one guys. And then for the second selection, I'm going to color it pink. Okay, this pink color, this is for the color code. And then for the third selection, I'm going to make it pink as well. And we're going to put on this belt. And for this belt, I'm going to make it pink. Okay, and let's move to the shoes area. I'm going to put on this shoes. And then I'm going to make it pink. Wait, let me color it pink for the third selection. Okay, and I'm going to go to the jeans area right here, and I'm going to put on this jeans. Okay, now it's done, and this is for the final result. That's so simple. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunter and Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!